All right, hey y'all. So as you can see, I have a wig cap on, and right now I'm just gonna take some powder and put it on the front of the wig cap because you know you gotta give scalp. So I'm just gonna use a powder that I use when I do my makeup, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Take whatever brush you choose, you like, and you're just gonna put it on the front of the wig cap and then in the line where you believe your part is going to be, just so when it shows, we're giving scalp, we're giving cohesive color and skin transition. Now I'm going to grab my wig. This is Ramona, my favorite girl. Look at the tag, A.Stamped Collection. Every wig will have your own tag. That's how you know it's me. All right, boo-boo? We're going to put this wig on. We already know front and flip it and pull it back. Adjust. Grab that brush it out, make it look nice and neat. You know, I like my straight hair to be nice and sleek. So I want to make sure I'm nice and neat and fit. But look at that scalp line. Look at that part. It's giving skin, it's giving cohesive. Everything looks the same way. Still brushing, figuring it out. Okay, okay. Let's double check everything. Bam, look, the blend. Ow, look at that blend. Look at that blend. I know my part isn't perfect there, but it's okay. That's not the focus. Hey.